Are you ready for some serious beach envy? Welcome to follow Fazia's top 10 most beautiful beaches in Thailand. Pack your sunscreen, grab your sunscreen and get ready to add these stunning destinations to your travel bucket list. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Koh Phi Phi. Known for its crystal clear waters and stunning limestone cliffs, Koh Phi Phi is a must-see destination. Did you know that the beach was used as the filming location for the movie The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio? Railay Beach. This secluded beach can only be accessed by boat and is known for its incredible rock climbing opportunities. Did you know that Railay Beach is also home to a hidden lagoon that can only be accessed during low tide? Koh Samui. This tropical paradise is known for its white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. Did you know that Koh Samui is home to the famous Big Buddha statue, which stands at 12 meters tall and is made of concrete and gold leaf? Koh Lanta. This beautiful island is known for its peaceful atmosphere and stunning sunsets. Did you know that Koh Lanta is home to the Sea Gypsy community, a group of people who live on boats and make a living through fishing and tourism? Koh Phangan. Known for its full moon parties and lively nightlife, Koh Phangan also boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in Thailand. Did you know that the island is also home to a yoga and meditation retreat center, making it the perfect destination for a relaxing and rejuvenating vacation? Koh Tao. This small island is known for its incredible diving and snorkeling opportunities. Did you know that Koh Tao is home to the world's largest population of whale sharks, making it a must-see destination for diving enthusiasts? Koh Chang. This stunning island is known for its lush jungle and beautiful beaches. Did you know that Koh Chang is also home to a number of waterfalls and national parks, making it the perfect destination for nature lovers? Phuket. Known for its luxury resorts and nightlife, Phuket also boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in Thailand. Did you know that Phuket is home to the famous Phuket Fantasy show, which features elephants and other exotic animals? Khao Lak. This quiet and peaceful destination is known for its stunning beaches and incredible diving opportunities. Did you know that Khao Lak was one of the areas most affected by the 2004 tsunami, and has since been rebuilt and revitalized? Koh Samet. This small island is known for its peaceful atmosphere and beautiful beaches. Did you know that Koh Samet is also home to a number of temples and shrines, making it the perfect destination for culture and history enthusiasts? Outro. So there you have it, the 10 most beautiful beaches in Thailand. Whether you're looking for a relaxing vacation or an action-packed adventure, these destinations have something for everyone. So grab your sunscreen, book your flight and get ready to explore some of the most stunning beaches in the world. So, what are you waiting for? Let's hit the beach.